Hello and welcome to a tutorial on how to create a Weebly website. So the first thing you want to do to create a website in Weebly is you want to log in or sign up. So how you sign up is just go here and put in your name, email address, and password. Or you can just continue with Facebook or Google. And you can create a Weebly account. I already have, so I'm just going to log in with Google Plus, and here's my Weebly page. Right here is my dashboard. It just tells me about my website and how many visitors I'm getting per week and stuff. And you can edit your website right up here. And to create your website, what you want to do is press this plus button and add site. And right here I'll ask you if you want to sell online. I'm not going to sell online right now, so just press not now. And here is a fine assortment of different themes that you can select, and the themes have different categories. Like this is a business theme category, or you can have a event theme category, portfolio, personal, or even a blog. And they even have more than this. You can go here to view more themes and other themes like this. And so I'm just gonna start out with a blog. Here's some nice themes. I'll start out with this one. And here is just a preview of this theme. It shows you all the stuff that's going to be in it. So just press start editing, then we'll create your site. Just wait for it to load. And here you can type in your own domain name. Like I'll just say John's Apple Pies. And I'll press search. Here it comes with a whole bunch of domains, and these domains you actually have to pay for right here. So it will come to a payment page. I'm just going to use the free version, so I'm just going to go here and type in John's Apple Pies. Search. And for some reason it's not coming up with a subdomain. I'll say Weebly.com. And looks like it's unavailable, so I'll choose a different name. What about John's Apple Pies? I'll put I'll put apple pie. So here it comes up with subdomain. This is free, so you can choose this one, and it will say that your setup is complete. Press done, and here's your website. So you can just edit titles and stuff. So you say John's Apple Pies. And we'll say the ultimate pie recipe. And see, right now it says that I don't have any blog posts, so I'll just press new post right down here in the corner, and I'll say my pie recipe for the title. And here you can add images, text, or titles. I'll just add an image, just click on here and drag it into here. And I'll say upload an image. I'll search for a apple pie. Press search. No photos are from the professional category, but the free photos. Here's some apple pies, so you can click picture of an apple pie. This one looks nice. And here will come up with the image. And you can insert some text right below it. And here you can click to edit, and then you can say blah 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 recipe about an apple pie. And after that, you press save. And here's a draft. Here's my draft. And you can say post, actually. That'll post it to your page. And then after you get that done, you want to make sure that you publish it so everybody on the internet can see it. Right here shows the Weebly page. You just click on that, and then it shows you a preview of what it would look like to anybody that previews your page off the internet. So this is what it would look like, and then you can go back here. You can choose to upgrade if you want, if you can pay for it, and you can keep on adding new posts if you want, like this. Just exit out there, so press save, and then you can have the different pages inside of your page that you can edit. So yeah, there's a pages selection. You can edit the title of this. So I'll say my pies. And here that is, and then you can choose some stuff like visibility and SEO settings. You can even choose a different theme if you want, like a different color scheme. And it'll just format it to a different theme. So I'll just pick this one, choose theme, and it will automatically format your page to the new theme. So that is a basic rundown of how to use Weebly, and you can just test all these out if you want. Pretty simple to use. You can put in different media, e-commerce, and surveys and stuff. And this is more like basic page stuff that you can add, like a button. Just put that right there. Then you can have that send you to a different website. So, as I said, that is a basic rundown on how to create a Weebly website. And I hope that you find it useful and have a good time making your website and having people visit your website. So that's it for today.